All right, here's a question where you need to use some radians and formula we've used to solve. You're testing GPS unit and see if it's correct. So the GPS says you've gone a kilometer, but you want to check that. So you can take one of those fancy wheels and you measure that it's 35 centimeters in radius, okay? And you count that it goes exactly 401 revolutions to go off that distance that your GPS says is 1 kilometer. And you want to see if that's correct. So there's no speed in here, so the formula I use is theta is equal S over R. And I want to solve for distance. So distance is going to be equal to theta times R, or the angle in radians. So I need to figure out what that angle is. They tell me that it goes 401 times, but I need that answer in radians. So 401 revolutions, to convert that to radians, I'm going to multiply it by 1 revolution is the same thing as 2 pi radians. Okay, and that's going to be what my angle is. Okay, so 401 times 2 pi, 802 pi. Let me figure that out. So
Do you want a pizza bun?
I got to go 401. Okay, 401 times 2 times pi. What's that come out to? 2519. So 2519.557 radians times by the distance, or the radius, 35 centimeters. Let me maybe convert that. Well, let's just write 35 centimeters for now. I'm going to need to convert that, though, to kilometers, because we're looking to see if it's a kilometer. Okay, so I'm going to multiply this by, there's 100,000 centimeters in 1 kilometer. Okay, so let's do that multiplication. I guess I can just take this number I have and times it by 35 and divide it by 100,000. There we go, 0.8818. So it's equal to 0.8818 kilometers. Therefore, they said it was supposed to be 1 kilometer. You got 0.88. Something's wrong with your GPS. It's not 1 kilometer. Hopefully that helps you with that question.